Welcome, chefs.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi.
There are 3 rounds: appetizer, entree, and dessert. Each course has its own basket of mystery ingredients. You must use every ingredient in the basket in some way. Also available to you, our pantry and fridge. If your dish doesn't cut it, you will be chopped. Chefs, please open your baskets. And we've got brook trout, rhubarb, dried strawberries, and lemon verbena.
I'm gonna do pan-seared trout.
I'm going to make pan-seared trout with an arugula salad.
I'm going to make orange zested trout tempura with the rhubarb dried strawberry sauce. Ice is really key to make it look crispier.
I have these heads. I decide I'm going to pan-sear the trout and make a fumet of the heads, which is very simply a fish stock. To be put into a position where I couldn't cook was amazingly traumatic. As soon as I could, I was in the kitchen, just trying to move my body, trying to get myself back. And winning Chopped would validate that for me.
Lemon verbena has a little bit of a peppery flavor to it, so balsamic to make everything pop just a little bit.
So I grabbed some Kalamata olives, and I diced up the lemon verbena because it's got a little tardiness, so they're gonna balance each other really well.
I don't serve any less than perfection. I decided to let the fish continue to sear in the pan until the very last minute.
I mean, we're looking at 1 minute left. She has no plates. I want to bring her plates.
Behind.
And chefs, 1 minute left. And with under a minute, Courtney goes to get plates.
Behind.
I just quickly pan fry the verbena to kind of be a little bit more textural on the plate.
Please plate your food. Please plate your food. Please give us something, please.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up, chefs. Chef Jimmy.
I made a pan-seared trout lettuce wrap with a drunken strawberry relish. And as you can see, I almost took down half the building.
Whoa, hello.
I like the format of it, actually. It's simplistic, and my fish is perfectly cooked.
Thank you.
Chef Courtney.
It's an arugula salad with a strawberry and lemon verbena vinaigrette, bacon and rhubarb lardons, and pan-seared trout.
It's completely, utterly delicious.
Thank you.
To Chef Akiko.
This is orange zested trout tempura with the lemon verbena rhubarb puree.
Of the dishes I've eaten so far today, you're the one that I think has brought out the actual flavors of the basket ingredients the most.
Thank you very much.
Chef Nathaniel.
We have a pan-seared trout with a lemon verbena fumet and dried strawberry rhubarb compote.
That broth is awesome. Really flavorful. I mean, the combination of the acidity of the rhubarb and the sweetness of the strawberries work really well.
Whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Courtney, you've been chopped. Chef Jimmy, Chef Akiko, Chef Nathaniel, please open them up. And for the entree round, you must use Scottish red leg partridge, peanut butter taffy, Lacinato kale, and red curry paste. You get 30 minutes to make your main course, starting now.
I decided I'm gonna make grilled partridge with charred kale.
So I heat up coconut milk with the red curry paste, star anise, and a little bit ginger.
I'm making a crispy partridge leg with a partridge sausage mixture.
Chefs, I'm calling the 2-minute warning now. 2 minutes.
I want to bring some crunchiness. So I add pine nuts and the pink peppercorn to peanut butter toffee to make garnish.
You are really running out of time now, chefs. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is it. Time's up. Chef Akiko.
I made partridge 2 ways with coconut red curry sauce, with the green apple and the kale salad.
Can you tell us about the 2 A's?
For the breast, it's pan-seared, and the legs I put in fryer.
You managed to cook the legs perfectly, but the breast is overcooked.
Next up, Chef Nathaniel.
Today I have a crispy partridge leg with a Lacinato kale wrapped partridge meatball and a sweet potato kale hash.
I thought this was great.
Thank you.
And finally, Chef Jimmy.
Today I prepared for you a grilled partridge with charred kale with a curried peanut butter drizzle.
It's really beautiful.
Yeah, I don't know what it tastes like, but this is a great presentation. I love
Beautiful.
it. The grilling of the partridge, I love it. We really got that grill pan nice and hot.
Whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Jimmy, you've been chopped. Chef Akiko, Chef Nathaniel, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Are you nervous?
A little bit.
A lot.
I wish her the best. However, I'm here to win. Sorry, Akiko.
Please open your baskets. And you must use dulce de leche, pineapple, sesame seed buns, and apricot paste. 30 minutes on the clock. And time starts now.
It's very important to me that my final dish is solid. Given the theme of the rest of my courses, it seems only prudent to make a dumpling. So I start rolling out the buns to stuff them with apricot paste and a dulce de leche mascarpone.
I put pineapple, ginger, apricot paste, and salt and pepper. My dad, he always told me, whatever you do, take risks, don't be safe. I like smoky fruits for dessert.
Akiko is using the smoke gun.
What is she smoking exactly?
Pineapples.
Smoked pineapple.
Smoke is a tough thing in dessert.
It is very easy to over-smoke food. 2 minutes left on the clock, chefs.
2 minutes.
My dumpling, which is the star of the plate, is opening up. The only thing I can do is mask it with whipped cream.
Oh my God. Nathaniel's taking the last minute and a half to whip cream by hand when he could be doing that in the machine and plating.
I do not use electric beaters for whipped cream. Am I not a professional?
All right, watch the clock, chefs. Not much time left in this round at all. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. That's it. Chef Nathaniel.
I have a toasted sesame seed dumpling of dulce de leche, mascarpone, and apricot with a grilled pineapple, kaffir lime, and mint salad on top.
I love the presentation.
Thank you.
It's fun and whimsical.
And finally, Chef Akiko.
I made cocoa sesame bread cake with a smoky pineapple.
I would have never picked chocolate to be part of this basket, but the chocolate really goes nicely with the pineapple.
Whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Akiko, you've been chopped. And that means, Chef Nathaniel Zimmett, that you are the chopped champion. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Chef.
What are you feeling right now?
All in all, lucky. Very lucky.
Whew.
Been a day.
Been a year, no?